Welcome. Here's another series of my tips on Bernina 7 series, and a lot of these tips will actually cross over to other models. Today we're going to show you how to use your automatic needle threader and tips on how to make it perform better. And I have several accessories today that will help you if you're struggling with your needle threader on your Berninas. First, you want to make sure that the needle is in properly and it's a new and straight needle. So you want to take your needle tool, loosen it up. A needle is good for about 8 hours of sewing, so if you can't remember the last time you replaced your needle, it's a good time to do that now. Bernina makes what they call a red needle grabber. This is a little hook that comes out and holds the needle. A lot of my customers struggle getting that needle up and in the right area. This grabber makes it simple. So it's up there. You want to make sure it's all the way up. If it's not all the way up, the needle threader will get damaged and not work. Sometimes I even take the tip of my fingernail, get it underneath the tip of the needle, and loosen the screw and make sure it's all the way up. It's very important for stitch quality and especially on needle threading. When the needle threader works, a little baby hook goes through the eye of the needle and pulls the thread to the back. So that's a very skinny piece of metal. So here's my technique on helping you use an automatic needle threader. On the 7 series, it doesn't matter where the needle is to begin with, because when you start pulling down on the needle threader, the needle goes to the proper position. I pull it about halfway down with my left index finger, and I take the thread and I put it around this post that's on the gray needle threader head, and you bring it the rest of the way down, and you have to engage it all the way. Most of my customers stopped about here and it will not perform. They put the thread through and it won't pull. You have to give it that little extra nudge and then put the thread to the back and it will pull a loop. And you grab the loop from the back, get it through the eye of the needle, and you're ready to trim and sew. Some of my customers have difficulty with this, and Bernina makes an accessory. It's an additional thread cutter and holder. I'm going to show you how to install this. You can ask your Bernina dealer for one of these, install it yourself, or you can call me and I'll send you one. So this has a peel and stick area on it, so I'm going to prepare right inside the opening or the harp area of my machine. I'm going to prepare it with a wipe. You want to use an alcohol wipe, not a baby wipe or anything. This is a lens wipe, so I'm going to take any oils and greases and clean it really nice, and I'm going to dry it. And what you want to do is you want to install this with the screw pointing towards you. Peel off the plastic, or peel off there, and make sure you're not putting it on the seam, so whenever we take the machine apart it's not going to pull this out. And I just kind of rock it on there, and you're ready to use that as an auxiliary cutter and thread holder. Now I'm going to show you how cool this works. So you're coming down here, you bring the thread around the post, engage it, come up to your cutter and pull it towards you. It holds the thread and lets it pull right up to the inside of the needle. It is so slick. And we sell these. I hardly can keep them in stock. My customers love them. The other thing that will happen sometimes is the threader head that comes down and goes through will get damaged. This you can pop off. It's just on with pressure. And you can purchase a brand new one between $40 and $50 depending upon your dealer's markup. These are really good to have if you're a long way from a dealer. You can take this off. You can line it back up and it just snaps right back on. Watch me struggle. There. Snap right back on. There's a little post. You can hear it snap on and it's good to go. And again, I'm always promoting my wonderful oil distribution. This is a $12 bottle of oil, and that includes shipping anywhere in the United States, and you can order this from me. I hope this helps you with your struggles with threading your Bernina on either the 7 series or any of them. And keep watching Bernina Jeff. Please subscribe and press that notification button. This helps me get out there to help other people. Thanks. Bye.